Hello, this is Sabotage. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can make about $500 to $1,000 per week in tutoring using Uber or DoorDash and pet sitting or pet care. Okay, first one to talk about is tutoring. Tutoring is very easy. All you gotta do is know like a specific topic. Okay, like the most common ones are math, English, reading, and science. What you do is like you post on a community board, which you can do at a grocery store, online through social media like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, so forth. And then you give your what's knowledge and skill you have. Like okay, you know math, right? Okay, what kind of math? Algebra, algebra 2, geometry, trigonometry, pre-calc, calculus, calculus 1, 2, 3, linear algebra, and so forth. If you know like some science, you can say like which one you have, like chemistry, biology, matter and energy. And so for all the other topics, you can do for like English, you can help people like how to write papers, grammar, correction, so forth. You can charge like, and you can also do for like if you do SAT, ACT, there's a website, we'll teach you how to do it. Side Hustle Nation. I did tutoring before at school, but I mostly just do for like favors. If I help you with something, you help me with something later in the future. Or you can do for cash if you want. I did a little bit for cash. Here, this is how to do a tutoring business, gain clients' income, and then when you offer your tutoring service, you gotta first give them, okay, contact information, who you are, could be like phone number and email, basic common ones, and then what time you're available. You can discuss that like later on through the email. And you set up what best time to call them. So, so the potential client will like prepare ahead of time if it's like, is it tutoring for, what do you tutor for? Students, college, so forth. Okay, so you can charge like normally you can normally charge like $75 to $125 per tutoring session for like college entrance exams. If you make by the hour rate, you can charge whatever price you want. So minimum's about $25, maximum's about like $100, depending on how much money you want to make. You can charge more if you want. And then some people do like, okay, you can do like a introductory offer, like $25 an hour for the first like 3 or 4 hours till the person likes it. Then upgrade them to higher level just after, let's say, so you can do like 2 sessions at $25 an hour, at 3 hours, $75 for 3 hours, $25 per hour. And then, so if they like it, they'll continue with you, and you'll give them a set price. You can do it based on topic, or you just make them all standard. Like, okay, for basic, you gotta charge at this hour, $5 per hour. Advanced, you can do $50 an hour. Yeah, really extreme advanced with problem solving challenges and everything. More like make your critical thinking, creativity. You can do it at $100 an hour. That one for like SAT and ACT. These are common ones. This is like a sample flyer. Yeah, like extra might be becoming an ACT tutor. You can see per session fee. You can do per session fee or the hourly rate. Hourly rate is like you make more, but you have to have like enough clients to cover that kind of cost. You can do a session or the hourly rate. And these tests, these are like you create like mini sample tests. You can do like grab some from like SAT website, ACT website, or you could create your own, or you can do from a. You just say, okay, you already buy the SAT, ACT book, right? And you can go through like one by one how to do it. Like, okay, give the student like first you're gonna teach them how to do like okay some math, science, English, reading, and then for like the first let's say 1 hour, and then the second part is you can teach, and then you give them like a set of questions and how many pages to do, and then I tell them to do it for about 10 minutes per session, and then you can tell them you grade them and then see how they're doing. If they have any questions, you feel free to answer them. You can just teach them, like, okay, like if you want to solve for x, like 4x plus 2 equal 10. So how do you solve it? You can show them like step by step through a math equation, solve it. You know, how you receive x, how do you get the answer x at the end? Like x equal 4. How do you arrive at that answer? Explain detail by detail so they can understand. And you can put it like a scenario for like, okay, if for basic math, like Johnny had 5 apples and Sarah gave him 4 apples. How much does he have total? That's a basic arithmetic version. Yeah, and then the tests, ACT and SAT are offered like 6 times a year. And they have like summer sessions. So they also have like also has an ebook on Amazon, which I think they charge you about a few dollars, $5 to $15. Not very expensive. Okay, first thing you price your tutoring service. First, the lower rate can be about $80. Can go as high as 120. This is based on as of right now. This is the going current rate, but see each area is different. So it depends. Some areas like some people don't have that kind of like money to afford a tutoring session. They're pretty much like okay, you can do half price or something. So it's an $8 an hour, $40 an hour, and then you have to first know location. What places need tutors in the area, or you can do like private home session, require traveling, car. You can do by schools. High schools are always need tutors for SAT, ACT, and how you gonna and you gotta judge like every student is very different, so you're feeling like other people you're talking with willing to pay for your service. So you have to build like a trust client and maintain contact with them and get their contact information. And when you market tutoring service, you can do by text and email, flyers at community, college, high school, or grocery store. It's Commonwealth or social media. You can make business cards. You can do like Vistaprint. I think they give you $10 for 500 business cards. That's their typical promotion you can do with them. You can offer like a free seminar at a local school, to introduce about your tutoring service and basic information how much they charge per session or charge by the hourly rate. And you'll be holding sessions at, let's say, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 times a week. It's the basic one. And next, I'm going to talk about Uber. Uber is a great way to make money for like offering rides for services to bus stations, trains, and airports. It's like you make $15 per ride, that's the basic. $15 per ride plus tips. Tips are optional. And tip you from like minimum, let's say $1 to about $100 or more, depending on your service. You have to have a good driving record on qualify because they do a background check on you. Next thing is, once you have an accident, you may be kicked out of the Uber program. So, and customers rate you on depending on your customer service. And you can also do Uber Eats. Uber Eats, they pay you by delivery. So you can, let's say, order something. You can find food in your area, say, food delivery, and get your spread. Okay, delivery fee is like 49 cents. That's relatively small. Some areas can be more, depending on the distance. They usually take about 15, $25. Some they have a minimum, how much they charge. Let's see. Big Mac deal, $10.22. So for delivery, they charge like very expensive. You order a lot of food. Let's see, Big Mac deal, $10. Okay. If you do a Big Mac deal, go to like to a store, drive by yourself. You only pay delivery fee, and you just pay a little lower. It's about $8, $7 to $8. That's a going rate right now. And you can choose like if you want breakfast, dinner. You do group orders. Group orders, maybe there's a discount. And you can tip your driver as well, all through the Uber Eats app. And let's see, DoorDash. DoorDash is delivery service, only deal with restaurants. And you gotta see which qualifying restaurants qualify, because they don't have all restaurants. They maybe have the major big brands, but local businesses, they have few. And see, oh yeah, they offer free delivery on the first order with a promo code. And you see DoorDash. DoorDash is not relatively too expensive, but it's reasonable. See, order something. Send me address. Okay. Let's go inside, see how that works. You choose what items you want to order. Alright, since it's a combo, alright. So regular Cajun fries. And the drink, you can choose Coca-Cola. Charge $8. Okay, leave one check. So maximum order is $100. Just order less, $7.99. Or you can do pick up at the store, order online, pick up at the store. Right now they said you have to create an account. You have to have an account in order to do DoorDash. You can become a dasher. Be a partner of the restaurant. Get dashers for deliveries. Okay, how to become a DoorDash. A dasher. Okay, click on the website. Type your zip code. Type your email. Sign up. It operates in 4,000 states, US, Canada, Australia. There's a current week, how much you made. It's like, this week you made $41. They pay you, based on how many orders, they give you like, okay, let's say $15 plus delivery fee. All delivery fee is to cover your gas, so it's all for you. Sometimes the delivery fee is mostly go to the company, and they just pay you like pay you per delivery. Let's say you deliver about $600 worth of food to, let's say, a company for a very big order. So you drive there, pick up the order on your DoorDash, and the money will be transferred into you. Not $600, but a portion of it will go to you. Let's say it's like $600, maybe to pay $15 per hour. Plus, if a customer wants to give you a tip, add the tip within that order, and the tip belongs to you. Next, going to talk about pet care service. They have a pet care service in almost every state: Virginia, Maryland, California, so forth. This is the one for McLean, Falters, Virginia. What service they offer is dog walking, pet sitting, puppy care, overnight care, house and plant care, and concierge service. Okay, how much you can make? Usually $500 to $1,000 a week. You can charge by pet, like let's say like $25 per pet. And you gotta describe what type of service you do. If you're just doing like pet care, you'll just walk the dog and feed the pet, and pretty much like that. Walk the dog, feed the pet, until like the owner comes back. Pet sitting is like staying at a house, the client's house. Okay, take care of the pet. Charge by hour, right? You say $25 an hour. What you do is walk the dog, feed the dog, play with the dog, do a basic house chores, sometimes like pick up the mail, water the plants. That's pretty much all you do, and you get and sit and like you can read books or something, get something done. If the dog needs attention, like a walk or something, or also you can, if the client asks like you want something, and I want you to watch the dog, take it to the vet. That's like pretty much pet sitting, but in your house. But so that if they're going to pay you a little bit extra for delivery, just go like pet care service. But they need to make a reservation ahead of time with the pet veterinarian office and know who's coming, proof of ID, and call. That gets a little confusing, but some people do that, some people don't. So, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they can make extra $500 to $1,000 a week. And comment down below what you think about this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.